Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove zinc from steel. First, prioritize safety by understanding the risks associated with zinc removal. Zinc fumes, especially when heated, can cause metal fume fever, so always work in a well-ventilated area. Wear a respirator, safety glasses, and gloves to protect yourself from both fumes and any chemicals used. Your personal safety is paramount throughout this process. Mechanical removal is often the simplest approach for removing zinc. For thin coatings, a stiff wire brush or abrasive pad can effectively scrub away the zinc. For thicker galvanized layers, an angle grinder with a flap disc or grinding wheel works well. Always apply consistent pressure and move steadily to avoid gouging the steel. Afterward, clean the surface thoroughly to prepare it for further treatment. Chemical stripping offers another effective way to remove zinc, particularly for intricate parts. A solution of 10% hydrochloric acid is commonly used. Carefully immerse the steel, allowing the acid to react with the zinc for several minutes until it bubbles away. Always wear chemical-resistant gloves and eye protection. After stripping, rinse the part thoroughly with water and neutralize any residual acid with a baking soda solution. Once the zinc is removed, it's crucial to protect the now exposed steel from corrosion. First, clean the surface meticulously to remove any remaining zinc particles, acid residues, or dust. Then, apply a suitable protective coating, such as a rust-inhibiting primer or paint, as quickly as possible. If immediate painting isn't feasible, a light coat of oil can offer temporary protection against rust formation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.